Easy-to-make chocolate tarts have a soft chocolate filling with a nutty crust. They're rich and decadent, with just the perfect amount of sweetness from the tart crust and dark chocolate ganache. The first thing you have to do is prepare a tray for cupcakes with liners and set aside. Blend the cookies and almonds until you have a very fine crumb. In a bowl, add the cookie crumbs and butter. Combine until fully incorporated. Shape the tartlets by pressing the cookie mixture into the bottom and up of the sides of the liners. Chill in the fridge for 2 hours. Now it's time to make the chocolate filling. In a medium bowl, add the chocolate and the cream. Microwave for 10-second intervals until chocolate is melted. Mix until chocolate is incorporated. Add the butter and honey. Mix until smooth and silky. Pour in the ganache and chill in the fridge for another 2 hours. Serve and enjoy.